Hi, welcome back to Curry Soup. Today we're going to be talking about thyroid. I'm going to be explaining to you everything you need to know about thyroid, how it works, what hormones it produces, and what are the functions. In case sometimes you're wondering how come I got no energy left, how come I'm putting on weight without even eating much, or why do I feel so restless, why do I feel palpitation all the time, my heart beating fast all the time. This video might give you some answers to that. So, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. The thyroid is an organ which looks like a butterfly which is located right behind your neck. The purpose of the thyroid, to explain very simply, is it's like a post office and it sends out postmen every day, and these postmen are hormones. And the function of these hormones are to instruct every cell in the body how to work properly. So every day your thyroid is sending tons of hormones down throughout your body to instruct each and every one of them how to function properly. The thyroid itself looks like a butterfly, but then it's made up of what we call globules. And if we look deeper inside each globules, it's made up of something called a follicle, where your hormones are actually stored in. There are two main hormones which are produced by the thyroid, the T3 and T4. T3 is called triiodothyronine and T4 is called thyroxine. Although you don't really need to know all these technical terms, what you need to understand is the functions of these hormones. These hormones send signals to the body every day to instruct them when to eat. Basically, when to consume nutrients and energy. This in turn maintains the metabolism of the entire body. And metabolism is a series of reactions the cells do to produce energy for the body. Signals from the thyroid are the ones which are keeping the heart pumping very efficiently. It's allowing our cells to break down nutrients faster. When the body needs energy, the thyroid sends out signal to increase the metabolism of the body so that more energy is produced. Thyroid basically allows our cells to use energy, grow and reproduce. The thyroid is in turn controlled by the pituitary gland. It's a gland which is actually located in your brain. The purpose of this gland is to basically monitor everything like a manager. So if this particular department doesn't have enough staff, they send more staff there. If this particular department has too much staff, they just stop sending staffs there. Same thing. The pituitary gland starts detecting the amount of hormone which is circulating in the blood. So if there's very little thyroid hormone circulating, the pituitary gland will signal the thyroid by sending something called a thyroid stimulating hormone, and this will in turn increase the production of thyroid hormones sent out to the blood. And the exact opposite happens if the pituitary gland started detecting very high amount of thyroids in the blood. So in this case, it will stop sending signals to produce more thyroid hormones. It's a very beautifully designed system with real-time feedback. But even in this kind of intelligent design, things can sometimes go wrong. For example, imagine a house where the guy doesn't come and check his post box at all, regardless of how much mail is posted. The same thing could happen to the thyroid, meaning the thyroid will sort of become deaf to the signals from the pituitary gland. So this will in turn either produce too much thyroid hormone or too little thyroid hormone. In case of too much, it's called hyperthyroidism. As I mentioned earlier, hyperthyroidism means there's too much circulating thyroid hormone in the blood. So this means every cell in the body is constantly getting messages, getting posts from the post office asking them to consume oxygen and nutrient. When this happens, the body becomes very overactive and the metabolism shoots through the roof, becomes very high. In these cases, some of the symptoms might be having very fast heartbeat, constantly feeling hunger, rapid weight loss, always feeling hot and sweaty, always feeling anxious, and having difficulty sleeping at night. The opposite spectrum of it is hypothyroidism, which means the circulating thyroid hormone is very low. In this case, if you're following me from the beginning, you'll understand that means the cells are not getting enough posts, enough messages from the thyroid to explain to them whether they should be consuming energy or not. So when this happens, the metabolism will start to slow down, and this will result in weight gain, feeling sluggish, feeling as if like you don't have any energy at all, feeling very sensitive towards cold temperatures, swollen joints, and sometimes even feeling very depressed or down. And that's everything you need to know about how thyroid works and how the hormones affect our body. If you found any of the information in this video useful, anything at all, just do one thing: please help share this video, spread the knowledge to everyone. And if you haven't subscribed, please do smash the subscribe button and click the bell icon, because YouTube's algorithm is changing all the time and we need to make sure our videos actually come and reach you. So until another informative video, in anything you do, do your best and be the best version of yourself. Bye bye.